Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I was just wanting to give you an update on what I think is pronounced NIO. It's NIO. NIO. So what I've got for you is that we are still looking at this overall swing from January 11th to, let's see, the 5th of March, okay? And the target off of that larger swing is going to be 76.53 and 88.67. However, we do have a pullback right now. So if you're not already in this stock, I do like it because we're above the 200. The 5 and the 13 are on a sell. On a buy. So we're above the 200, 5 and the 13 are on a buy, and the 50 we were above, and we're just slightly under it now. But I actually own this stock, and I am looking for it to bounce. Your new setup zone is 37.52 to 38.64, or we have 1 point of symmetry at 35.22. That just gets you in closer than the original setup zone, which was 30.53 to 32.05, which is where I actually got into the stock. We are going to have some resistance on the way up, 59.48 to 60.47. So I do want you to be cautious when you get there before we get to the targets. So you can structure your trade around that. But at this moment, the setup zone I have for you is 37.52 to 38.64. If the low from today is in place, and only if the low from today is in place, your target off of that smaller swing inside of the larger swing is going to be 44.44 and 45.99. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you for now. Please be sure to look for triggers. I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me